Looking for the best paint sprayers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 paint sprayers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. Pros: fast and efficient sprayer that knocks out big jobs fast. With practice, achieving pro-grade results is fairly easy. Long hose and cords provide good mobility. High-quality gun. Cons: can clog when using paint with primer. Involved setup and cleanup, not the greatest for small jobs. Bottom line: high-performance airless paint sprayer with a bit of a learning curve from a respected brand that's ideal for big jobs. At number 2. Wagner Control Spray Max Paint Sprayer. Pros: great for smaller jobs like furniture and trim. Simple setup and cleanup. Kit includes compressor, sprayer and hose. Versatile functions. Affordable price. Cons: spray density inconsistent. More overspray than pricier models. Problematic spray pattern adjuster. Bottom line: a popular all-in-one solution that's lightweight and easy for the amateur to use. An excellent bargain. At number 1. Graco Ultra Cordless Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer. Pros: lightweight, sturdy design, simple setup, easy to adjust pressure as needed. Sprays 1 gallon of paint per charge with speedy recharging. Specialized spray tips included. Cons: quality like this is expected to be fairly pricey. Goes through paint fast. Time-consuming cleanup. Bottom line: solid advanced consumer model favored by contractors and serious do-it-yourselfers. Durable, high-quality model that's a must-have for tackling big jobs. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.